In today's video, we're diving into how to share candidate information with hiring managers on Top Echelon. If you're looking to streamline your hiring process and make collaboration easier, this guide will show you exactly how to do that using this powerful software. Top Echelon simplifies recruitment and makes it easy to share candidate details, improving communication between you and your hiring managers. Whether you're a recruiter or part of a hiring team, this software is built to save you time and increase efficiency. And the best part, you can try it for free through the link in the description below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses. So, how do you actually share candidate information? First, once you've added a candidate profile in Top Echelon, you can access their full details, including resumes, interview notes, and skills. This makes it easy to quickly assess whether a candidate is a fit for your team or a specific role. Next, click on the candidate profile you wish to share. You'll see the option to send this information directly to your hiring managers or team members. Top Echelon allows you to share all the relevant information with just a few clicks, keeping everyone in the loop. Instead of sending multiple emails with attachments, you can use the software's secure platform to share everything at once, keeping things organized and central. One of the best features of Top Echelon is the ability to customize how you share candidate information. You can include detailed notes on what the candidate has said during interviews, any red flags to look out for, or even your thoughts on their potential within the role. This ensures that your hiring managers get a clear picture, not just a resume. Another handy feature is the ability to track who has seen the candidate profiles. This helps ensure that everyone involved in the hiring decision is on the same page and that no important feedback gets lost. You can even assign tasks or set reminders to follow up on candidates, making sure that your hiring process stays on track. If you're collaborating with a larger team, Top Echelon also offers real-time updates, so when you share information, everyone sees it instantly. This reduces the back and forth and speeds up decision making, which is key when you're trying to fill positions quickly. So, to recap, sharing candidate information with hiring managers on Top Echelon is simple, secure, and efficient. From uploading resumes and interview notes to tracking who's viewed the profiles, it helps you keep everything organized and moving smoothly. And before I finish, I want to remind you that you can access Top Echelon for free through the first link in the description. You'll also get an exclusive extended trial, so you can test out all the features yourself. Don't miss out. Make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.